Today we are going to learn very IMP topic, isomerism in organic compounds. Because the isomerism is the property of only the organic compounds. Inorganic compounds do not show this property. For example, copper sulfate, CuSO4, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. These are their formulae. And we draw the structure of them as of only one type, not of two or different type of structure we can draw for the same inorganic compound. But the organic compounds have this special property. That means there are such organic compounds or organic compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formulae. Then this phenomenon of the organic compound showing the same molecular formula but different structures is called as isomerism. This phenomenon, that means phenomenon is property. This property or this phenomenon of the organic compound having the same molecular formula but different structures is called as isomerism, and the different structures are called as isomers of each other. For example, let us see that is pentane. We know the pentane. What is the molecular formula of pentane? C5H12, because pentane have the 5 carbon atom. Just double the carbon atom and add 2 hydrogen again. That means C5H10 is the molecular formula of the pentane. We know that. And this formula C5H12 of pentane have 3 different structures. Which are that? Normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane. We know that. Now see how the structures are drawn. Now this is the straight chain carbon structure of the pentane. Now these are the 4 and this is the 5th. Now this is the N-pentane, normal pentane. Again, if we draw the 4 carbon atom in a straight chain and the 5th carbon if we joined at the 2nd carbon, there is the formation of isopentane. How is that? Isopentane. Now see, if we draw the 4 carbon atom in a straight chain and join one at the 2nd, above side or below side, same. And only attach now the hydrogen atoms. Now we know that the valency of carbon is 4. Now count the carbon atoms in this also. There are the 5 carbon, 10, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now how many? There are the hydrogens. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hydrogen and 5 carbons. Molecular formula are same. But see, the structures are different of N-pentane and isopentane. And how the neopentane is drawn? Now one carbon containing no any hydrogen and it have all the 4 carbon atoms are get joined. Now this is the neopentane. Now see, there are also 5 carbon and 3 multiplied by 4, that is the 12 hydrogen. Now this is the isomerism. But inorganic compound do not show such different structure. So isomerism is only the property of the organic compound. So see the definition. The phenomenon of existence. Existence means available. The phenomenon of existence of 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula is known as isomerism. Same molecular formula, but write down here, but different structural formulae Anekvachan. That is plural of the formula. Formula is singular, formula is plural. Because structural formula are more than one, but molecular formula is only one. So structural formulae. So the phenomenon of existence of two or more compounds possessing the same molecular formula but different structural formulae are known as isomerism. This is known as isomerism. And such compounds are known as isomers of each other. Now these three, now this is the molecular formula of pentane, and these three are the different structural formulae of pentane. Now that is the example. Now the isomerism are mainly of two types. Remember that. One is the first type is the structural isomerism, and second is the stereoisomerism. Now stereoisomerism we already learned into the chapter, that is the alkene. Into alkene we learned the stereoisomerism as the cis trans isomerism. What is in that stereoisomerism? Now see the definition of stereoisomerism. Now see first stereoisomerism. When different compounds have the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but they are different in the spatial arrangement. That means arrangement of group of atoms in the space. Now in cis, what is there? Similar groups are on the one side of the carbon-carbon double bond. And what is in the trans? The similar groups are to the opposite sides of the carbon-carbon double bond. That is the stereoisomerism. So when different compounds have the same molecular formula and same structural formula but different spatial arrangement of the groups of atoms are known as the stereoisomerism. And cis trans isomerism comes into the stereoisomerism. And first class, that is we have to learn specially in this chapter, is the first type, that is the structural isomerism. The definition is same. When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formulae is called as the structural isomerism, and the structures are called as isomers of each other. So N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane, they are the isomers of each other. Now these structural isomerism are again classified into 5 different types. Now learn that. Let us learn. First is the chain isomerism. Second is the position isomerism. Third is the functional group isomerism. Fourth is the metamerism, and fifth is the tautomerism. 5 types are very, very important. Now let us see one by one. Now first come to the chain isomerism. Now in chain isomerism, what is the different structure into that? Molecular formula definitely same, because the definition of structural formula is what? Their molecular formula are same, but only different into the structure. Now what is the difference in the structure in case of chain isomerism? In case of chain isomerism, they have different carbon skeleton. That means these N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane, these are also the chain isomers now. Now see, in the N-pentane, all the 5 carbon atoms are straightly joined to each other in a straight chain. Their skeleton is chain-like. Now in iso and neo, what happened? The chains, the length of the chain decreases due to the branching. That means their carbon skeleton is not now straight. They have the branching or substitute. Such isomers, which are different in the carbon skeleton or parent carbon chain, are called as the chain isomerism. Now come to the position isomerism. Position isomerism are generally found into alkene and alkyne. We know that if the position of the double bond in case of alkene is at the different, the positions are different of the double bond, then we call that as the position isomerism. For example, 2-pentene or pent2-ene or pent3-ene. We draw that. We can draw that. Now I draw here the pent2-ene and pent3-ene. Now see, These are the 5 carbon atoms. We have to show the double bond to the second position. Now all the remainings are hydrogen there. Okay. Now here is the 2, 3. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the pent 2Ne. The position of double bond is here at the 2 position. But if I draw the double bond to this third carbon atom, then what is there? There, the name of this is the pent 3Ne. That means the position of the double bond is different. So what is there in the position isomerism? They have different position of same functional group. Same means this double bond is the functional group. Here also double bond, in the 2 pentene also there is the double bond. So only the functional group's position changes in case of, but the molecular formula is same. What is that? C5H10, because in alkene there are only double of the carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms are there. So C5H10 in case of pent 2Ne and C5H10 in case of pent 3Ne. So they are the position isomer. Now definitely all these isomerism have the same molecular formula. Remember that. Only they are different in chain isomerism in the carbon skeleton, in position isomerism, position of the functional group. Now come to the functional group isomerism. As the name suggests, what is the difference into that? Only the functional groups are changes into that. Now see how the functional groups are that is different and how the molecular formula is same. Let us see that functional group isomerism having the functional groups are different in that functional group isomerism only the functional groups are different. Now for example, ethyl alcohol. Now what is the now there are the, I take the example as the ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2OH. And second example I take here the dimethyl ether. Now, okay, dimethyl ether. Now see here. This is the dimethyl ether and this is the ethanol, alcohol. Now count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, now here 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Okay, oxygen is 1. Now let us see the molecular formula of this. There are also 2 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen. Now see both these compounds have the same molecular formula. But what is difference into them? Not structure, here functional group. Here is the alcoholic OH group as the functional group. And here this is ether, that means ether linkage is the functional group. Functional groups are definitely different, but their molecular formulae are same. Molecular formula are same and the functional groups are different. Such type of isomers having the same molecular formula but different into the functional groups are called as the functional isomers. Can you understand how the functional isomers are different? Now all these 3 we already learned. Position isomerism, functional and chain. Now let us see the metamerism. Now what happened into the metamerism? Now metamerism is only there is the unequal distribution of carbon atoms on the either side of the functional group. Let us see the example, then you can understand this also. That is the what is in the metamerism. In 12th standard we have the metamerism, or there may be short note in metamerism. Now what is there? Now let us see. Now remember that functional groups are same into that also in the metamerism. Only the functional groups have different carbon atoms to the either sides. For example, this is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. What is this? What is this? This is ether, but it is diethyl ether. Okay. Now draw the another ether again. Okay. Now see here, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now see this. Which type of ether, or what is the name of this ether? This is methyl propyl ether, because 3 carbon atoms. As there are 2 carbon atoms to the either side of this functional group ether. But here at one side there is only CH3 group, and here are the 3 carbon containing molecule group. Now let us how the molecular formula are same. Now count the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. How many hydrogens? 10 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now see here also. Here also 4 carbon. Now 10, 6 plus 4. How many? 10 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now see, both of these compounds have the same molecular formula. But what is difference into them? Only the number of carbon atoms. In Marathi it is called as the sankhya. Number of carbon atoms are different. Here are the 2 carbon atoms and here is the 1 and 3 carbon atoms. So what is the difference? Unequal distribution of carbon atom. Unequal distribution means, unequal means not equal. Here 2, 2 and there 1, 3. Such unequal distribution of the carbon atoms to the either side of the functional group is present into the metamerism. Metamerism is also the type of structural isomerism in which molecular formula are same, but they have the different distribution of carbon atoms to the either side of the functional group. Now let us see the last, that is the tautomerism. Now this is also the structural isomerism, but what is here? Here also the molecular formula same, but that 2 compounds convert into each other immediately. Now let us see the example, then you can understand that also. Now take the example of this. Suppose now this is the CS3C, that is OH, and here is the NH2. Suppose, sorry, NH3 is here, C double bond, sorry, COH, and here okay, double bond NH, sorry, such type of compound is there. Now see, this is compound and another compound is CS3C NH2 double bond O. Now see, this is amide. We know that this is amide, acetamide. We know that. Now this acetamide can convert. Now this conversion or the tautomerism is shown by such arrow of both sides. There is the arrow here. Now how it happened? Now let us see. Now this hydrogen atom is there. Okay, OH group is there. Now count the carbon, 2 carbon. Again 5 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. Okay. Here also 2 carbon, 5 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. That means molecular formula are same. Now what happened? Now see here. Immediately in few seconds these bonds shift here. Here is the double bond. Now carbon have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bond will be there. That is not correct. So one bond have to shift on this nitrogen. There is the negative charge on nitrogen. And this H which are giving here bond is H plus. H plus joined to this negative charge and there is conversion of this. Now see, this double bond is here. This double bond shift on nitrogen. Here is only 1 hydrogen, but this hydrogen attached to that of nitrogen. So here is the NH2 now. Okay. Now this is conversion of one compound into the another compound immediately, having same molecular formula, but immediately they convert into each other. Rapid means immediately. Interconvertible structures are called as the, what is that? Tautomerism. That is also, there is the short note on tautomerism also. Now we will see again one by one all these types of the structural isomerism with the examples now.